No. Maintenance fees ensure that a condo functions smoothly, appeals to new buyers, meaning curb appeal, and that homeowners, condo owners, live a little bit more stress-free than house owners. But before you buy a condo, you should ask yourself a few questions that may bring clarity to the great maintenance fee debate. Number one, are you proactive with repairs? Do you enjoy doing them? And are you able to fix things? I'm not great at them. Living in a condo, there are fewer seasonal maintenance items that require your attention in comparison to a house. There's no eavestrough cleaning, landscaping, or pipe maintenance in preparation for cold weather or changing seasons. Now, if you're handy and able to fix these without hiring someone, spending money on maintenance fees may not be for you. Number two, would you use the amenities of a building like a gym, a pool, a party room, a dog wash, a concierge for deliveries, or just general security? If the amenities of a condo appeal to you and you're going to use them in place of an existing gym or club membership, then maintenance fees are definitely not a waste of money. The cost of savings of a monthly gym or club membership and the use of the concierge for delivery and security may be worth a lot more than you pay in monthly maintenance fees. Number three, are you financially prepared for the larger costs associated with repairs of a house? Now, there's no doubt that the steady monthly maintenance fee payments can seem like a lot of money, but some house owners are not financially prepared for the costs of air conditioning, furnace or pipe issues like sewer backup or basement floods that can cost significant amounts of money at one moment in time when they go wrong. Not that condos are immune from these problems, but the financial burden of a furnace that breaks down in the middle of the winter can be financially surprising when you need to spend $5,000 to $15,000 to fix or replace it. And these are just a few items on a long list that we found most relevant when considering if maintenance fees are a waste of money or not.